Hello and welcome to Nails Pro Academy. In this video, I will show you how to safely remove gel polish from toes with electric nail file. I will use ceramic drill bit with red abrasive mark, which means medium. I'm moving from the right side to the left, carefully going from the cuticle towards the free edge. Be careful, we are only filing off the color now, we're not touching the base coat. It is also important to hold the drill bit really flat and do not press on it too much because we can easily overfile and damage natural nails, and do not forget to push back the sidewalls. After you filed off all the color from the middle, we also need to do this along the sidewalls. And there are two options. You can go like this from the cuticle towards the free edge, or you can do it in the opposite direction. Now we're switching to the next toe, and all remaining toes are much smaller, so it will be a bit easier. And also do not forget to hold your bit always flat. Keep in mind that your client should not feel any uncomfortable feelings at the moment. It should not heat or scratch or touch the skin. We're filing only the top coat and the color at the moment. As you can see, the gel is filing off pretty easily, but it's not because I'm pressing on the surface, it's because I have a good quality drill bit and I have speed at around 25 to 30,000 rotations per minute. If you notice that there is some lifting, we definitely need to file it off as well. When working with electric nail file, no matter what part of the pedicure you're doing, you need to hold the toe with your opposite hand firmly, and also you can rotate it a little bit to the side if needed. Now we're done with this step, and now let's move to the next one. Now I'm using the regular nail file and we need to shape the toes. We can also buff the surface and slightly file off the remaining product if needed. You can always do it if you're not feel confident by doing this with electric nail file. And then I'm going to take care of the cuticle. I'm working with diamond bead in cone, or some people call it water drop shape. And I'm pushing back the cuticle, I'm cleaning the cuticle, and all at the same time I can also file off the remaining product, especially if there's lifting, like right here. This bead is with red abrasive mark, which is medium, and it's equivalent to 220 buffer file. So as you can see, it is pretty soft and it's almost impossible to damage the nails and the skin, but still be careful and do not press or leave it in one spot for a long time. And we are done, and we have beautiful, healthy, clean toes right here. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel so you will not miss new tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye!